All right, good evening. Yeah, thank you. How are you? You know, so who never born picking the say cartoon are for children. Now, when you born, you know, say adult now watch and pass children. That Coco Melon 300 billion views. Now adult watch 2.9 billion. Children don't watch anything inside that though. No let anybody stress you. If you know say you don't know book, no born now. And wrong time to born. No. May your pikin no go ask you, Daddy, is rice carbohydrate? You go say no, it's vitamin. You know, so they get where your children go no book free, you go fear to come house, may know if they fail assignment. Would they call your wife, hello? Are they asleep now? Can I come? Say come, you they come. One day tell you say that they are awake, run. No. If your pikin give you log ready, may you solve. Something will make you come out for school, your pikin go bring her. You sabi and now you come out for school. No, let anybody stress you. This life, who can shower the whole cash you. May you no sleep finish, your app no go open. Or God, open your app no open. No, I shall no way no DPO. Imagine say they arrest you and your wife come bail you. You don't say from that day now you go to sweep. No, you must go, you think now, Mama sign shorty. Say, where is the useless man that they brought here? Come outside. Hello, madam, is this your husband? Your wife will call you behind counter. Say, nah, be that. Idiot, come where they go. You don't say you go pray more and get accident for road after they go out. May you just die. Because, if woman get evidence against you, you are finished. You know, see that woman, you don't tire for Baby, you just look at it, I'll hold this man. You know what it means, my Baby go pay guests for a quiet bomb. They shout, our son. People are Baby senior. Leave our son for us. Don't let anybody stress you for this country, this Nigeria. If they know mark and wear, latest, next week Thursday, all of us don't come out. No, so Nigeria not the country. Nigeria na place where they find visa gather. Oh, no. Anybody where you enter, you don't move. Oh, this all of us, the John Jerry is they become one by land. No, now visa with the day they do. Don't let anybody whine you, bros. Mama, hold this man well, oh. For your mind, sometimes now you go, they do you like to make you misbehave. If you see where they write this guy name for comment section for Jerry Easy, Father, run it for me. Altar of fire, bring him near me. No, throw away your husband. No, say some of you have small to don't stand on top of speaker, they shout, useless man, good for nothing man, very useless man. You see these guys, we don't feed the table, where they there? They like useless men. If next year, now then go there, now you go there. Hold this man well, don't say I not tell you. They like scavengers. Not going to shout and young condemn. Now so that they find husband condemn. They repair condemn husband. If they repair this man, you go admire your former useless guy. No sir.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
They call me Shad.
Stop that music, you bitch. Stop him. You're a bitch. Never you believe the promises of a naked man. Otherwise you will be lambered, you will not be lambered. Not be every guy that they chop run, no. Two-Face don't chop for Lagos, now I go chop Binige. As he chop Binige, I once your mama declare I'm missing. Since 1 week I have not seen my son, Nigerian women, you dey crazy. They put beat for it. I know say you will never know the true intention of a man until he can't achieve his dream. Two-Face was always coming to Benin to perform. I call you say, wow, Two-Face they really show Benin people love. Now let I call no say Two-Face they call me love. The love not easy, my brother. Nothing sweet illiterate. Three say people will go school not make a move. They can happy. See, I tell them they not go school now for connect. I tell you that. See. M.O.P. Anybody not put any you under pressure say you must marry. But my life too hard. The day they born you as a man, war don't start. No, you tell no say na war. After 7 days of cut your prick. That be will start circumcision. Feel the pain, baby. Marriage now scam. You don't say the moment you marry as a man, that time you meet your spec. Yes, you do me. Bro, I'm a man, I just love back, love front. For good 7 years, I find woman will get front, get back. I don't see. I can't go make mistake, marry my wife. No nyash. If you see my wife, it be like Chinese man when they peace. The moment I marry my wife, bam! 2 guests just park come our compound. See breast, see yash. As they see me, oh, Casino, you're such a phenomenal comedian. For my mind, we on our days, he's made under punishment. If you see the name when the girls they call me, you are just super amazing, darling. And my wife never called me better than before for my life. If I send her money, the highest way go call me Cassie, way, I'll be vigilante. Cassie Lumbus, I'll be shrine. So I got to feel bad. What is happening here? To make the matter worse, this is my neighbor, educated, rich. She know they do wrongs. She be even virgin from rich home. Me now don't go do hori. Marry woman, I mean they feed their village. Mistake people make. Bro, what did even pay me? I was doing my Europe tour. I can't go borrow money from the girl. 20 million. As I was leaving her house. Now she tell me, say, Casino, I wish you were not married. You wouldn't have payback. Now that night I've been one praising my wife. Let's end it all.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Comedians are hypocrite. After I don't carry guests put for hotel finish, you can't say they play gospel song. Did you call the play? I will pray, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will be. And you lost Satan for hotel. Before you call, you don't sleep with Satan. They shout out, oh my money get value. That nasty. Money get power. As Seriki see pounds, he leave dollars. But pounds and dollar no be made now. That's why for school, if your pikin be dollar, they will pounds on her. Hold on, after they drop out small. This country, everything for this country just spoil. Anything we don't concern sex for this country, I know the value and sex, doggy, everything. Now that the value, sex, social media, everything does spoil this country. This country don't go. Things they spoil for this country, nobody they talk. As I speak to you now, the price of Panadol, they give person headache. Things for this country don't spoil. Even condom will be 200 before. Condom is now 2,500. Casino, let tell me. Condom now 2,500. Condom don't cost. We cannot even protect ourselves anymore. The price to treat protection can't cost fast food they give the infection. What is the total amount to carry girl for total? Oh no, now 2,300 don't carry girl for total. Before you know you buy it, you don't come out. That day I buy the condom. They tell me say 2,500. I first come out, but I still come back and buy them because I was under duress. You know, hold on now. You know, as I say use the condom finish, the condom still here. Because normally I'll be rough rider. Oh, at the side of my nose, always so. You know, this Nigeria, the Nigeria don't know. We know who they bother. Everybody na sex. My young would day. IBB confess, they donate, give him. He confessed that Abiola win the election. That's my confession. Because he confessed, they go beat him. IBB confessed that they donate money, billions of naira. Do you know they give IBB 17 billion for book where you know how many books I don't read? And they owe 17 million. They give IBB 17 billion. When I hear the money they give IBB, I get high BP. Oh no, Nigeria don't spoil. Nobody is not even talking about all this now just sex. If only we can keep our blockers, then we can focus, see what they block us. Oh, now people just move up. Now social media. Do you know my biggest problem now as I speak? That's my biggest problem now. Be say my pikin and get fan. My first son. For now, you everything for YouTube. My pikin leave everything for you to go fall in love with Gege. Do you know how long you convinced me to? How long you took me to convince that boy? So boy na battle. Because he told me say that you are then doing like that. I said battle no work. What did they do?
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.